Dear members, I have great pleasure in giving to you all a warm welcome to this 32nd annual general meeting of your company. The pleasure is all the more by the fact that I have the opportunity at this meeting to welcome some new and enthusiastic members whose taking part in the company's meeting holds out the promise of quick and significant development. I am therefore especially happy to welcome them to this meeting and hope that they will take very keen interest in the company's affairs. Let me at the same time bring to your attention that two of my old colleagues who have been on the board of directors for many years relinquished their office in November last. Even otherwise, they should have retired by rotation at this meeting. Let me take this opportunity to record our deep sense of thanks to them for the valuable help and wise lead they gave us during their long years of service. The director's report and the statement of accounts for the year are with you for some time now. I shall, with your permission, take them as read. The performance of the company during the year under report has been satisfactory. I am sure that with the new plans of the government to relax many controls and regulations, your company will not only keep up the speed of development but also improve upon it. I am happy to announce that your company has built up a good export market and our export performance is improving from year to year. Another special part of the business is that we are getting high prices than before, which is an example of the appreciation of quality of our items on in outside market. Therefore, the future of your company is expected to be good. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter and noted the matters therein. Your letter states that the balance items shall be delivered by the last week. We regret to inform you that the goods are last week. We regret to inform you that the goods are not yet received. We have also made several telephone calls to your local office only to learn that the goods have not yet been booked from your works. By the delay in the delivery of the goods, we have been put too much expenses, and more than that, some of our regular customers got annoyed. We are in immediate need of the goods and would therefore like to request you to kindly send them immediately under a telegraphic information to us. Yours faithfully.